Assalamu alaikum. We are on behalf of SBF, Society for Bright Future, and Jamaat Islami Hind, Assam South. We have been working for last week. In the various parts of South Assam, Barak Valley, flood affected villages. Here the condition of the houses you see. It is not a remote village. It is on the side of the highway. The condition, if the condition is so, then what is happening to the village people? It is a matter of thinking. You see the cottage, the poor people, now they are helpless. And after that, this house will break. What will be the condition? So we appeal to the conscience of the people of Barak Valley to raise the helping hand to help the flood victim peoples. Today is Eid. We have performed Eid al-Fitr and we reached here. We see how they will celebrate the Eid al-Fitr. What is the condition? You see. So we request everybody to raise the helping hand to help the people of these flood victims.